A very warm welcome to all the new students of the School of Pharmaceutical Sciences at MVN University. We are thrilled to have you join our community. My name is Joyce Paul, Assistant Professor in the School of Pharmaceutical Sciences, and I'm here to guide you through an important first step in your admission process, filling out the mandatory anti-ragging form. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to access the online form. Open your web browser and go to the official anti-ragging website. You can click the link provided by the university or type in antiragging.in/affidavit_university_form.php. Once the page loads, you'll see a form with several sections. Let's tackle them one by one. First, fill in your personal details. This includes your name, date of birth, gender, and other personal information. Next up is the parent-guardian information section. Here, you'll need to enter the name, occupation, and contact details of your parent or guardian. Now for the most important part, the university and course details. This is where you need to pay close attention. For the state, select Haryana. For the university name, carefully choose MVN University Palwal, U0742, from the list. The form will ask for the Vice-Chancellor's name. You need to enter Prof. Dr. Arun Garg. For the university phone number, type in 8397979225. It will also ask for the nearest police station to the university. Please enter Police Station Mundkati. Finally, provide the details about your course and any other academic information required. After filling in all the details, you will come to the declaration section. It's very important that you read the anti-ragging guidelines carefully. By agreeing to the terms, you are confirming that you understand the serious consequences of being involved in ragging in any way. Take a moment to review the entire form to make sure all the information you've entered is correct. Once you're sure everything is accurate, go ahead and click the Submit button.
For the phone number of National Anti-Ragging Helpline, type 1-800-180-5522.
After you submit, you will receive an acknowledgement with a reference number. You will also receive this reference number in an email. Your next step is to download and print this acknowledgement form using that reference number. This printed form is not yet complete.
After that, go to Undertaking tab. A dialog box will appear. Click on Download. A new page will appear. Fill the reference or no, and other details, and click on Submit. Then download the form.
Both you and your parent or guardian must sign it. The final step is to submit this signed acknowledgement form to your department or the university's administrative office. This is a required part of your admission process, so please make sure you complete it promptly. And that's it. You've successfully completed your anti-ragging declaration. We have a zero-tolerance policy for ragging at MVN University, and this process helps us ensure a welcoming campus for all. Once again, welcome to the School of Pharmaceutical Sciences family. We wish you the very best as you begin this exciting journey.